Hey Kaiju, so we are going to go to Dairy Queen and try the new, I think it's like the pumpkin cookie butter shake, and then like there's like a pumpkin, I'm not sure if it's cheesecake or just like a pumpkin blizzard, and also get some lunch because I'm starving. I used to be so obsessed back in like, I don't know, teenage or college years with their chicken tenders and like honey mustard, but actually I really haven't had Dairy Queen in like forever. I can't even tell you the last time I ever walked into a Dairy Queen or went to one in the mall. So it's been a while, so we'll see if their chicken tenders are just as good as I remember. So we'll go find out. Alrighty, so this is the pumpkin cookie butter milkshake, and this is the pumpkin pie blizzard. Looks good. Let's give it a try. This is the blizzard, the pumpkin pie blizzard. There looks like there's like chunks of something in here. It tastes like it literally tastes just like pumpkin pie mix with like that's like in a milkshake form. I mean, not a milkshake, a blizzard form. And they're like graham, I guess, kind of like the crust of a pumpkin pie, like the graham cracker. Chunks in it. It's good. I don't necessarily like, I love pumpkin pie, but I don't necessarily like eating the filling of it. So that's what it reminds me of. Like, if you love like just the filling, that's what it tastes like. So we're gonna try the pumpkin cookie butter milkshake. This is really good. I like it because it doesn't taste like pumpkin pie filling. It tastes more like, kind of has like more of a creamier texture. But it does have like good seasoning. I mean, I think it's hard to tell because my camera is making it look a little bit more white than, but it's like kind of like a snickerdoodly color, but has like this pumpkin spice, so it tastes really good. I dig this more than the blizzard, but both are good, but I prefer this better. And then my box of food. See if it still tastes good like I remember as a kid. So the fries. Still tastes good. Little chicken tenders. And they're still pretty solid. I feel like I just got a kid's meal. But still pretty good. I give this probably a 4 out of 5 Kaiju bites. I give the pumpkin blizzard 3.5 Kaiju bites out of 5. Chicken tenders is pretty solid still. Give it a 4. For fast food chicken tenders, they're pretty decent. Pretty good. But anyways, guys, like and subscribe. Join me for future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.